Right, this is based around a base kit of components from Ampmaker for the WF-55, which is a take on the Fender 5F1 from 1955. This cabinet was from a dead amp I've had lying back in my amp graveyard here for a couple of years. I had the components to do the job for the last year or two, so I got around to doing it a couple of months back. So it's like I say, it's like a 5F1 but with enhancements. Originally had like a 6.5 inch speaker in it. It's now got a brand new Jensen C10Q, which is really nice. It's got switchable first stage V1. This is a rotary switch in anti-clockwise, a standard for the 5F1, and in this position there's a 1 microfarad capacitor added to the first stage of V1, and that gives it more treble and a bit more gain. I'll show you. First of all, standard, I'll just strike a chord. That's standard. Now with it engaged, you see there's more gain and more treble. It's got a basic volume control, same as the normal 5F1. I fitted a Princeton style passive tone control here. I'll show you that. It's got negative feedback just like the original 5F1. In this position it's running a 22k resistor in series on a negative feedback, which is exactly the same as the original. In this version you switch it down here, it's running just a 10k, so you get more negative feedback for a smoother, slightly lower gain response. This is the standard setting. This is with the smoother 10k resistor. Some other modifications I've done was, it normally runs a 12AX7 preamp. Power amp is a 6V6. What I did on this one, I had the room in the chassis, so I decided I'd fit another socket and wire it all in for EL84 British style valve. So you can run it either sort of more American 6V6 or more British EL84. I've got the EL84 because I prefer it more to the 6V6. I find the 6V6 got quite a big mid-range hump. But there you go, it's all swings and roundabouts. All you'd have to do is you can only run one output valve at a time, so you have to physically remove one and put the other one in. But the sockets are there. The second half of the preamp valve has now got a 100k a grid resistor in line, as advised by one of the experts online. I can't remember which one, but it was one of his modifications, and I done that. What else is there? I don't think there's much else on it. It's basically as standard as it is. That is all really, but I think it's quite a good sound. I'm running it through this homebrew delay pedal here of mine. Let's have a look. that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed that. It does go really loud actually. That's only just off the stop here. Can't see it. Can't really run it very loud up here. Plenty loud for 4 watts. Anyway, that's all. Bye bye.